Today's video was made on occasion of Valentine's Day and I'm presenting those idioms that are related to love. Let's see the first one. Loved up, its meaning to be in love or someone behaves amorously. Elisa and George are very much loved up. Broken heart, this is a sad feeling, when someone is no longer in love, does not love you and it causes you pain. What's wrong with Dave? He recovers from a broken heart. Joined at the hip, two people who are so in love that they can't be separated. They are together all day. Look at those are joined at the hip. Fall head over heels in love. Its meaning, to fall deeply in love with someone. They met in the office and fell head over heels in love for one another. Tie the knot, to get married. When are you going to tie the knot? Blind date, a date between two people who have never met. Often, friends organize these dates in secret. My girlfriend organized a date in secret. So I went on a blind date with her cousin. Lovebirds, two people who are very much in love with each other. The young people are as happy as two lovebirds. Love affair, a romantic or only sexual relationship between two people who are not married. The boss and his secretary have love affair. Love at first sight, a feeling that comes when you see someone you like and feel that you are in love. When I first saw Barbara, it was love at first sight. Pop the question to ask someone to marry you. Has he popped the question yet? Herewith I wish a happy Valentine's Day for each couples in love. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and write your opinion about the video.